Hi there, and welcome to this instructional video of the XMB-9640 KIA module balancer. In this video, we will show you which components come with the XMB, we will show you how to connect them properly, and we will go through the application of the XMB. The components that come with the XMB are as followed, starting off with the high voltage cables. Then you have the IMI-2404, the cable to connect the IMI to the XMB, a power cord, and a couple different types of low voltage cables. Depending on the module you want to diagnose or balance, you need the correct cable. You will find in the manual or through our knowledge base which cable you need on which module. We start off by connecting the IMI to the XMB and insert the power cord into the XMB. The XMB will now turn on. If you are using the XMB for the first time, you need to set up the XMB first in the application. Take note that the screen has a touchscreen. Select your preferred language first. Go to our end user license agreement and click the box if you agree. You can now create a user. Fill in a username and click next. Then select your date and time plus your preference of format. In the next screen, select your preferred test settings. And now you can connect to a Wi-Fi connection. You can select a connection or fill it in manually. Once you have a successful connection, you will see a white Wi-Fi connection icon on the top right of the screen. After achieving a successful Wi-Fi connection, you are required to fill in your dealer information. Fill in your country of use. Continue by entering the 5-digit distributor ID. The XMB will now pull in the correct dealer information. If this is correct, press confirm. The XMB is now successfully configured. After configuration, you will see a login screen. Select the user you want and that will take you to the main screen. In the main screen you will see a couple applications. Module balancing to balance your modules, transportation discharge to discharge the modules to a safe state of charge for transportation, and module diagnostics to read off the voltages and temperature of the module. You also have a history tab to search back previous module balances, a message tab where you can find back error messages or other notifications, and finally a settings tab where you can adjust several settings of the XMB. Let's start with module diagnostics to read off the module. Click on module diagnostics. In the next screen, fill in all the correct information of the module. So the model, the year, the type, the platform and the module. These fields are required before you can continue. The XMB will now instruct you which cables are required to read off the module. In this case, we need the high voltage cable 430-000-590 and the low voltage cable A970. Get the correct cables and connect them accordingly. Make sure you hear the latch click to confirm it has been placed properly. Notice that there are thumb screws on the high voltage cable to connect the positive and negative terminals on the module properly. The low voltage cable goes inside the IMI-2404 and to the module. And also in this case, make sure you hear the latch click. Close things off, place the IMI-2404 on top of the module so the IMI can measure the module's temperature using the infrared sensor. Once everything is connected, press next on the XMB. You are now able to read off the cell voltages and the temperature of the module. Now, if you want to balance a module, go to Module Balancing. Fill in the correct information once again. The XMB will now again instruct you if you have all the correct cables connected. Once you are certain that everything is correctly connected, keep pressing next and now the XMB will start balancing the module. During this process you can view all the information live on the screen. If for any reason you need to stop the balancing, press stop and confirm you want to stop the process. Once you have a successful module balance, you are now able to send the results through email. If your XMB is connected to a BMS, it will upload the results to a database automatically. And this was a quick demonstration video of the XMB-9640. If things are unclear or you want a more detailed instruction, there is the option to scan a QR code in the settings tabs under instructions. Simply scan the code with your phone and this will direct you to an online knowledge base where you will find everything about the tool. We hope this video was useful. Thanks for watching.
Midtronics. We will get you there.